If you're doing a podcast with multiple people, you need to pay attention to this. You are doing such a disservice by not using headphones with more than 2 people. It's seriously just a recipe for disaster. People talk over each other naturally, and you don't realize this, but psychologically, it's normal in conversation for people to speak louder over the passage of the conversation. There's actually a psychological term for it. It's called logorrhea. I hope I'm pronouncing that right because that sounds like a disease. Think about when you eat in a busy restaurant. It sounds like people are screaming to compensate their conversations for a large group of people. Well, that same thing happens when you record without headphones.